Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. In this video I'm going to share with you a high protein breakfast recipe which is very quick and easy to make, and it is very tasty and it has zero oil. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and turn on those notification bells. So for this recipe we are going to take 1 cup of chana dal which I have soaked 4 to 6 hours or overnight, and then I'm going to grind it into a paste. So the paste should be like a coarse paste, not very fine. So I'm going to take the coarse paste into a bowl. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of semolina or Sooji, and then grated ginger, green chilies as per taste. If you're cooking for kids, make sure to add accordingly. And then 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt, some grated carrots, and green spring onions. And here I have 2 tablespoons of zucchini which I have grated, and red cabbage. And last but not the least is fresh coriander which I have chopped. So we are going to add some salt and pepper to season, and then we are going to mix this really well. So it has very less spices, more of the vegetables and the protein from the chana dal. And I haven't used any oil or butter. And then add water to adjust the consistency of the batter. Now let it rest for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'm going to add fruit salt and few tablespoons of water to activate it and mix it really well. So it's gonna make our batter really fluffy. And now let's make the waffles. So here I'm using a vertical waffle maker, so I have to lay it flat on the surface, and I'm going to pour the batter in the center. You don't have to make it full, just pour it into the center and it will shape it. Now cook it until the timer goes off. And then we are going to check our waffle, and you can see it's perfectly cooked and it's really crispy and crunchy, and it's ready to start your day in a very healthy way. So I haven't used butter or oil at all, and this is really tasty. You have to try it. So try it today and let me know in the comment box below how do you like the recipe, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye, stay safe.